In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open and manage your Outlook profiles in just a few minutes. This is especially helpful if you have multiple accounts or need to check your personal information. Start by opening your browser and going to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your email and password. Once signed in, navigate to your inbox or main mail screen. Next, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. This could be a small picture or avatar. Click it, then select My Profile from the menu. In your profile, click on My Info to view all your personal details like your name, email address, and account settings. This gives you full control over your Outlook profile and ensures everything is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Outlook profile in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.